You're watching Max Talks, and I'm here at the Everything Electric show at the Excel in London. And I'm here on the Changan stand, a new Chinese player to the EV market. And this is going to be their first car coming to the UK, the Deepal S07. And in this video, we're going to take a first look at it. So what do we know so far? So this car is going to sit in the D segment with a C segment car coming later on in the year, known as the S05. It's going to be taking on the likes of the Tesla Model Y, Ford Capri. It will come with an 80 kilowatt hour battery and will do 10 to 80% charge in about 45 minutes, which they know to be slow, and they are working on bumping that up to 200 kilowatts. In terms of range, expect 294 miles, and pricing will be at around about, or just under, £40,000. We're expecting the first cars to land in the UK around June, July time, and customer orders will be sometime September, October. You get a 7-year warranty on the car, 8 years or 160,000 miles on the battery. There's also a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating on this car as well. One thing that was pointed out to me, which was really impressive, is the towing capacity of this car, 1,500 kilos, which would put it on par with many a combustion car. So that's really impressive. Boot space, 445 litres in the back. And then in the front, we've got 145 litres. Single motor rear wheel drive, and it will do 0 to 60 in about 7.9 seconds. And on the terms of specification, it is very much as you see it. There'll be one trim level, which is this one here, and the option of either 19-inch wheels, or you can have the optional 20s. That colour, that's about it. So yeah, really interesting car. But let's have a look on the inside, because there's some really cool stuff in there. How cool is that? So you've got this screen here that actually pivots towards the driver. And in terms of the actual quality of the interior, it feels really solid. We've got these sort of like simulated woods, got sort of like leather or leatherette anywhere. I don't know if this is actually real, but this feels really good. You've also got 50 kilowatt charger on the pad here, and it even has cooling so that your phone doesn't get really hot. So yeah, it's really nice. In terms of the infotainment, you've also got things like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And yeah, it's just a really, really nice place to sit. You know, it's just absolutely packed full of tech. You've got loads of ADAS systems. Yeah, but I want to know, what do you guys think? Is this a car that you'd be keen to see more of on the channel? Do let me know in the comments down below. Or would you maybe consider one of the more established rivals, something like Ford, Cupra or Tesla? And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. And don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell icon. I'll be talking to the guys here, and we're hoping to get a car on the channel for a full review very, very soon. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I'm Max. This is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.